Or I want to talk about units for just a little bit. So if I go to New Drawing, it will point to my template folder. Notice here I have just this basic AutoCAD.dwt, and then we have this ISO. That's the metric. So we're going to be working off of mostly off of inches. So ACAD.dwt. Those are units that are in inches. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. And I'm going to type in the units command, UNITS. Hit enter. And notice we get our drawing unit come up. We already know we're in inches because I opened just that ACAD.dwt. That's an inches-based format. And we're going to set to decimal. We're not going to use architectural engineering. It depends on if we're doing those different disciplines, but we're just going to be using decimal, and we're going to set that to 3 decimal spaces, which is pretty common for work we do. For insertion scale, this is basically if I'm bringing in different content, we would just want to keep that in inches if we're working in inches, which is what we're going to generally do for the class. We will do some metric work, and we'll let you know about that. But under angle, decimal degrees, precision to 1 degree is fine for what we're doing. Maybe to a tenth of a degree. We'll just do tenth of a degree. And we're going to go ahead and OK that. So that will set our units and precision correctly. If I go here, you can see I'm set for decimal. There's these other choices, but we just select decimal. And that will pretty much get us moving forward for the majority of the term. And then we'll let you know about the metric side of things. Typically, we do that in millimeters. OK, thank you.